So this is the girl?
Yeah.
The one you're taking to the school dance?
Ball, Grandma. Yes.
I don't think you have a chance, son.
What do you mean?
Well, open your eyes and look. She's too pretty for you.
Oi, Dickers. With my undies.
Let me finish this and then I'll come and help.
What? Oh! Who's this?
Oh, it's Joe.
Joe who?
Joe Mama. Huh?
Oh, come off your jokes. How about I choke your face with my fist?
Yeah.
Shh. What are you boys doing?
Oh, Mum, look. This guy's been perving at girls online.
Olele perv.
Oh, it's when you, like, sneaky hide and look at girls on the net.
And what about the magazines over there? Have you been sneaky looking at the women's magazine?
What?
You better go and take all my Women's Day magazines out of your room and into that fire bottle. Oh my gosh, disgusting boy. And who are you looking at? You better not be watching those naughty videos.
No. I'm just looking at this girl that I want to take to the school ball. Her name's Sunema.
Oh, wow, son, she's so beautiful.
Too beautiful for you, loser.
Shut up your mouth.
Anyways, do you think I have a chance?
Nah, I'm leaning towards no.
Yes, of course you do, son. Who wouldn't want to be with a bright and handsome young man like you?
Lies.
Mom, you're only saying that because I'm your son.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying it because it's the truth.
Well, I guess we'll find out.
What do you mean?
She's coming over.
Today? But the toilet is dirty.
But the house isn't clean. Oh, my word. She's probably going to come and think we're the most dirtiest people in the whole of New Zealand. And look at your clothes, son.
Oh, look at your clothes. You haven't had a shower all day.
What's wrong with my clothes? You have got to be kidding me.
This is the new pre-millennium style.
Millennial, Mom.
It's more like a prehistoric style.
Mom.
Shh, you look gorgeous, son. She's here.
Here, quickly, sit down and read the Bible.
Yeah.
Joe Mama is here to see you.
Who's your mama? Oh, you better watch out before I crack you in the mouth. Get over there. Get over there.
Okay, Mom. Thank you. I think I can take it from here.
Yeah, okay. Well, you two kids behave and call me if you need anything,
Yeah,
okay?
okay,
Sumena. Bye. Yeah.
I'm glad you asked me to come over. There's actually something I've been dying to ask you.
Pretend to answer your phone, quickly.
Is it okay if I just answer my phone?
It's not ringing.
Ooh, it's on vibrate. I'll just quickly answer this.
In that case, I'll take a quick call too.
Miss White. Hey, right now's not really the best time.
We've got a problem.
A problem? Is it like a problem that you can fix by yourself?
Hi, Auntie. What did you want to talk about?
Your girlfriend has brought a backup with her.
He's not alone. He's got an old lady with him.
You got a ghost? Who is she?
My auntie, she died like 2 years ago and just randomly turned up in my room.
It was murder. Your uncle's face killed me.
Yeah, my grandma just randomly showed up as well, like 2 nights ago. She said she couldn't go to heaven unless she completes an unselfish act like finding me a date to the ball.
Oh, so dramatic. Have you asked her already?
Ask him first.
What about his grandma? She'll be trapped.
Look, let's be honest. Look at the face, okay? Another 100 years is not gonna make a difference.
Hey, what's wrong with my face? I challenge you. Rocks, paper, scissors, knives, axe, the whole lot. Losers, stay. And you're losing already.
You're on, old lady.
Don't you dare call me an old lady.
I mean, we could just wait and see who wins.
What if we both ask at the same time?
To go to the school ball. Yeah, I mean, it's worth a try.
Paul,
Sunema, would you be my partner to the school ball?
Yes.
Yes.
going too.
Thank you, my son. I always believed in you.
Sunema, live your life to the fullest.
I want you to have a good time at the ball and enjoy yourself.
I promise, Grandma.
You can't be me, of course, but you can be the best version of yourself.
I love you.
I love you. Bye, Auntie.
Wow.